This is the final project that we are going to build in next 5 to 10 minutes. So in this project, we are creating a modern e-commerce user dashboard using React and Tailwind CSS. This dashboard will have a professional sidebar layout, multiple sections like products, orders, wishlist, cart and profile, and a clean UI design that looks like a real world application. Now here's the interesting part. We are not going to build everything manually. We will use AI tools. So we will use ChatGPT for creating prompts and Google AI Studio for building the actual application. Today the whole world is moving towards AI assisted development. If you are not aware of this tool, you might fall behind. Yes, I agree, having strong core knowledge is very important, but at the same time you should also know what's currently happening in the industry. So just stay with me and let's build this amazing project together. Let's start. First I will go to ChatGPT and then I will give a prompt of my requirements, such as I want to create user dashboard for an e-commerce site in React.js and Tailwind CSS. See, this is the prompt. If you want to read, then you can pause the video and read. See, at last I said describe my requirement more. So then this is its output. It has given requirement in very descriptive way. After that I simply said just create a prompt to create this requirement. Then it simply write a prompt to create it. Then I simply copy it, and now let's go to AI Studio of Google. Just go to build section and simply paste that prompt. It is throwing some error. Okay, don't worry, just open AI Studio in new tab and paste that prompt and enter. And see, now it has started creating our dashboard in React and Tailwind CSS. See, it has created first files such as metadata.json. Now see, in preview it has given us multiple design themes for our project, so we can choose any theme from this for our project. Let's see all the themes, then I will choose one of them. Here I am choosing the professional polish UI theme for our project because it is looking professional. See, till then AI already created multiple files of our project. It is creating more files, just we need to wait for some time. Okay, see, all the code is done. In left side you can see how it is applying that professional theme to our project, and that is now it is applying that professional theme to our project, and that's it. Then our project will done. And it is done. This is our final project. Wow, how beautiful and professional it is. You can see it has multiple sections at left sidebar such as dashboard, products, order, wish list and cart, and all of the sections are clickable. There is profile section also where user can edit their details, and there is settings option as well. Multiple settings are given but they don't work for now. That's fine for now. Now let's download this code in our system and run from our VS Code. Code will download in zip file format. Go to code and click on download icon. Select folder where you want to download it, and then go to that folder and select it, extract all and select location and click OK. Then go to that folder and open cmd, then write code dot to open that folder in VS Code. Here you can see all the folder structure. Now open terminal by pressing Ctrl plus backtick, then write npm rundev to run it. It is throwing error like Vite is not recognized. So this is very important. Many of you will make mistake here. That's why see here carefully. You can give this error to your copilot also. And some people will say here try npm start. It also don't work. So see, I know the solution. First close this copilot. You have to first write npm i. Why? Because to download the required dependencies for our project. Then write npm run dev. See, now app is running on port 3000. Now open port 3000. See this. This is our project. This is how you can use this AI Studio to create your projects. Otherwise, you will be left behind in this AI race. If you like this, then please subscribe and like and do comment. Thank you.